Haga khalai terik unailar arja arpuar ka National People Youth Front kala ther ka Trinamool Congress halor ka jingkan no jongka na ka por bagadan ka Kiba Bamsap haga jala Meghalaya klam da don ka no ka nongrem lani ka sakhi kadba ki babon ki Nongialam jo ka ne ka seng ha West Bengal ki de Kiba Bamsap.
The allegations that they have put has been always baseless. They have never been able to substantiate those allegations that they've put. Whereas I just would like to share this with the people of the state, also with the press fraternity. We have compiled a small thing with regards to the AITC and the senior leadership that they have. Starting with the kind of scams that have been going on nationally with the members of the AITC, be it in the national and the state level in West Bengal. To start off with Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, who is also the General Secretary and also the nephew of Mamata Banerjee. He himself is connected to a money laundering case and also linked to the Bengal coal scam, and in which the Enforcement Directorate is now questioning the corrupt leader, in which his wife is also involved. Secondly, Mr. Partha Chatterjee, who has also looted over 50 crores of public money through the West Bengal School Service Commission. His deeds have spoiled the future of many of the students and the children. And we see TMC speaking about education, for them speaking about every other thing in the state, whereas their leaders have been involved in such scams.
Ke Npyf kalaong ru badai ka Trinamool Congress ka boong badai ban pendrung shinong la ni ban I citizenship iki Bangladesh batang na ni la ban skothu ke ei ke jingthu jong ka seng Trinamool Congress hakaliang ka senchar khadar hajala Meghalaya.
Now also Mamata Banerjee in 2020 made an open statement that the Bangladeshi immigrants that are there in West Bengal are considered as Indian citizens. So what kind of security is the TMC bringing to the state? What kind of security is it going to provide to the people, especially who are settled in the border areas? If this is the kind of ideology that the TMC is coming in with, how do they speak about ILP? Why do they speak about ILP?